like, comment, don't forget about that. Let's go with the video of today. Okay, we're gonna start today's video with $60 and we're gonna go ahead and start right here. I am about to make a call option because I see the MACD is giving me a nice indication crossing that slower line going up, so the price is supposedly will be going up. And also I see the fractals that are showing that the price was gonna go up, so it's kind of with the fractals it's a step back, so you kind of see the one before. So I mean the next option here would be the after this one is going to be when the next fractal is drawn, is I would go with a short basically. So you see, and then the next one after that I would go with a long. Basically it's pretty easy, the fractal, because that's the idea behind it, but also you need to combine it with other stuff. So therefore we have the MACD, which gave us an indication to go up. And yeah, so basically that's the idea behind it around here. And let's wait for the result for the rest of the time to go. And we didn't have to wait for long. 114 we had the profit from here. So now the next one would be let's have a look, 114, and the next option basically would be, if I stayed here I'd go for a short, the next one. Obviously we're at the also at the resistance level here, so we're gonna just check others out. How about this? Okay, so this actually this one here I gotta look on for the trend. So the trend is a bullish trend and we have a MACD looking, both of them looking up. So I'm going to go ahead and do a call option here for $114, 1 minute, and let's see what turns out of this. With the fractals here, obviously if I had, let's see, if I had a bit more time, maybe a couple of minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, obviously we're on 30 seconds, but yeah, maybe the 2 minutes I'd go for a, yeah. See, the fractal here is actually correct, because the one, if you go step back, or at least it was. So let's wait for the result of this one, and then we can continue. Okay, so we have a profit here, $215. So we're going to make our next option for $215, and let's see. Okay, let's check this one out. Ooh, nice. So we have this nice indication, nice trend forming, bullish trend, and we're gonna go in for the call option, and these are quite good indications. And fractal in this case is also correct. Okay, that's a good point here. It just went down, so from there we just went in. So in this case, all the indications are correct. Okay, here is our next profit, $408. That's a pretty good one already, considering we started with 60. Okay, so let's go ahead for our next option. And how is this doing here? Yeah, not too bad. I'd go into probably the put option after that. Right, so let's have a look at here. So I see the fractals. See, the fractals are showing that the price would be going down. So this, if you go step back, there is a red indication. Let's see. Actually, here we can go ahead and make a put option. As we're kind of in a flat, so maybe this is a good point where the price starts going up from the minimums. Also, there is obviously the support levels that we're touching now. So probably 1 minute is enough for us to go ahead into a call option. And yeah, that's a good point actually. So okay, it's pretty volatile around here, but yeah, for this time frame I think we're good. Yes, we just made it $783 in this one. So let's move on with our next one, because if I had more time, as you can see, the price is actually, the trend is pretty bearish here. So I'd go also with the fractals, I'd go for a put option, not a call option, but we just used kind of this pullback for us to make our option. But yeah, what I see is actually a pretty bearish mood. So, or it's a flat just before the before the change of the trends. Okay, so here we have a pretty strong trend going up, and we're gonna go and just go with the call option, go with the trend here. Everything looking up, so we'll just use that one and let's see the results. Alright, so this one is a fat one, 1,474 already. So we're gonna go ahead and make our next option with the maximum that we can put in the investment part, in investment section, $1,000. And I'm just checking out this. This is looking pretty good. Okay, so let's check out maybe this one here. Here is the opposite. The trends are pretty bearish. Actually, see, we're touching up with the support levels here, and the fractal is showing that the price would go up. Also, the CCI is actually kind of showing us that the price would probably pick up. Yeah, it looks up. So let's go in, and so in this case, the MACD is not showing us enough information. We're looking at the bearish trend there, but it's kind of, it's not so strong yet. At least we have a time for maybe for a pullback here. We're going to wait for the result. I'm hoping that it is the correct option, and yeah, let's wait and see. And here is the 90%, $900 from just that one option from this, the profits are from this option. So we are going to, shall we make, we have 2,374 to use up now. We're going to do a couple of thousand option next. Let's see. Okay, let's go to this one here. actually we have an indication from CCI here to a put option, and that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and wait for the result of this, but pretty clear indication from CCI. Again, MACD here is not showing us enough. Maybe it's too early, but it will start showing stuff in a moment. And yeah, let's wait for the results here. Here is the profit, guys. From the 2000, we just had a profit of 1,800, which is 90% from this option. Let's have a look to our next option. So we can make so the balance 4,000. We can make a $4,000 option. Next, let's choose different asset. Oh, nice moment to enter into the call option. As you can see, all of the indicators, the trend itself, everything is giving us a great idea that the bullish trend had started. So let's just jump into this, and 1 minute is enough to use this up. Maybe even 30 seconds would be great, as we just want to go into this drain and profit from this 4,000. Okay, and let's wait for the results. And here is the next profit. See, it grows exponentially because we're using the entirety of the balance, and therefore it is growing really fast. So okay, so with each one, it's like the compound percentage. So in investing, this is what actually makes money. So if you start with something small, it's going to take a while to get there, maybe years, but when it grows, when your capital grows and you reinvest it, it starts to bring in the fruits. Right, we're just making this quick option 7,000. Let's have a look. Yeah, for a put option, as we are. So basically, I'm using this quick. It's only 30 seconds. That's why I'm doing it, because if it was longer, we have other indications. Actually, all of the indications were, well, oscillators at least. And here we are profiting from this one. That the price would likely to go up. We have a bearish trend though. That's true. But right now, like, I would expect in the next minutes a rise in the price here. So at least a pullback and increase in the price. But we just profited from this tiny moment, this 30 seconds only. Let's check this out. This one here. Okay, that's a nice indication there. We have okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4,000. So the MACD is giving us some ideas here. We're about to cross the slower line, and the bars are also indicating the price is going down. The fractal also, the fractal was also showing us that we're profiting because it's only 30 seconds. We could do even more here. A minute would be also okay, because I think there is time here for the price to move down, because also CCI is showing prices going down. Yeah, that was a great profit just now. Okay, so let's go ahead and make one more. It's a great situation here again. This is a really great situation to go into and follow the indications. As you can see, CCI is completely showing down. The MACD had now crossed the slower line. The graph itself is giving us hints that the price is going down, so the bearish trend is forming, even though it's even maybe continuing even. So in 30 seconds, as you can see, we just made another awesome amount. So guys, we are going to stop here. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Let me know in the commentary section if you do enjoy this content and this format especially. Don't forget about the description of this video with all the useful information. All the best, good luck and goodbye.